2026 tax filing season. If you are working a part-time job or have a side hustle, this video is for you. Make sure you're watching till the very end before you file your 2025 tax return. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now let's go ahead and get started, and we are starting with what is gig economy. Gig economy, also called sharing economy or access economy, is an activity where people earn income providing on-demand work, services, or goods. Often it's through a digital platform like an app or website. Now let's go over some examples of gig work. Driving a car for book rides or to do deliveries, renting out property or part of that property, you run errands or complete tasks for others, you sell goods online, rent equipment, providing creative or professional services, provide other temporary or on-demand freelance work. And this is not a full complete list of all gig work. Now let's go over digital platforms. Digital platforms are businesses that match workers with certain services. Customers can provide services via apps or website, and some examples are ride sharing, Uber or Lyft, delivery service, Instacart, Uber Eats, also craft and handmade item marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, on-demand labor and repair services, property and space rental. Now, this does not include all types of digital platforms, just some examples. And as a gig worker or someone doing a side hustle, you must pay tax on income you earn from gig work. If you do gig work as an employee, your employer should withhold tax from your paycheck. If you do gig work as an independent contractor, you may have to pay estimated taxes. Now, for a breakdown on estimated taxes, you can go to the IRS website and search Publication 505, tax withholding and estimated taxes. Taxes must be paid as you earn or receive income during the year, either through withholding or through estimated tax payments. So keep in mind that you must file a tax return if you have a side hustle or a part-time job. And you must file a tax return if you have net earnings from self-employment of $400 or more from gig work, even if it's a side job, part-time or temporary job. And make sure you don't get audited. Keep in mind that even if you don't report the income from your side hustle or part-time job, the businesses you work with may send forms to the IRS reporting the income that they paid to you. And the businesses that you work with providing these services must provide the IRS as well as you a copy of the 1099 by January 31st. And examples of 1099 Form 1099K payment card and third-party network transactions, Form 1099 miscellaneous income, Form W-2 wage and income statement, and Form 1099 NEC non-employee compensation. These are all of the third-party forms that will be sent to the IRS for that side income. So make sure you are reporting it on your taxes as well to avoid your tax return being flagged for an audit, delaying your 2026 tax refund. And if you don't receive Form 1099, the IRS suggests that you use your sales receipt to report any payments not reported to you on a 1099 or W-2. So make sure you are checking your records for all of the income that you earn so you can report it even if you don't receive that 1099 or that W-2. And don't forget, you can subtract your expenses that you incur from working your side hustle or your part-time job. You can lower the amount of tax you owe by deducting certain expenses. For example, you can go to the irs.gov website and search all of these particular expenses that may apply to you. For example, publication 463 is travel, entertainment, and car expenses. Publication 535 is business expenses. Publication 587. And finally, for more information on self-employment and gig work, you can also search publication 334 on the irs.gov website, tax guide for small businesses for individuals who use Schedule C. And that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to share the video. Make sure to comment in the comment section and ask any questions. Let us know if you have a side hustle or a part-time job. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2026 tax filing season updates and more. Bye-bye.